unplug the breaker. The breaker is here, my friend. Okay, the breaker is in here. So tatanggalin na natin yan. Kailangan natin mag gloves ng rubber, pinaka-importante yun. So tingnan mo kabayan, perfect yung gawa natin ha. So tisla yan kabayan ha. So tapos na pala ginawa natin kabayan, oh. Tingnan mo kabayan. So yung pintuan, yung panel, yung okay yung alignment ha. Yung bumper, repair yung bumper, yung dito yung tama. So perfect yung alignment. Tingnan mo alignment dito. Sa loob, pasok. Ito, di ba? Perfect yung trabaho.